GT Stoneworks, designed for the world around you. With different product lines to choose from, GT Stoneworks will help you build your dream house, transforming your walls beautifully and tapping into the power of possibilities. Our timeless new color and finishes will add breathtaking impacts to your walls and floors. Experience our passion in creating your memorable spaces. Our floor finishes will change the way you see concrete. GT Stoneworks is a reliable supplier of any decorative floor finishes you need. We made grass even better and provide innovative flooring solutions for your next project. Creating memorable spaces has never been stronger, as we are proud to offer our innovative wall and floor finishes for your home, business, or commercial project. GT Stoneworks, designed for the world around you.